Ready?
Sure.
Oh god, pressed it. Weird.
Gotta get down low with this.
You're freaking kidding me? Oh god, I peed. No, keep watching. Gotta go all the way through.
Is that it?
No, a few minutes left. It's just loading.
Oh my god.
You're right.
I told you. I think I legitimately peed my pants. Right there. It's my pee spot. No, that's actually from stepping in the snow from your car. I'm like, Gabriel, let me in, you stupid a-hole. Okay. That's disgusting.